Hey friends, we are on a thrilling European adventure. So we spent an incredible 3 days exploring the enchanting canals of Venice, riding on a gondola and savoring some of the best food Italy has to offer. Then we boarded the Norwegian Pearl and set sail up the stunning coastline towards Greece. Today, we're in the charming city of Ravenna, Italy, and we're about to embark on a unique excursion that includes a visit to a beautiful country winery and a delicious lunch with the locals. Join us as we dive into this amazing journey. Hey friends, we are in Ravenna, Italy.
We're also going to a commune today, or a little medieval village named BRISIGHELLA.
So come on with us, but first we have to have some breakfast.
Yeah.
We actually have a little bit of time before our adventure to BRISIGHELLA starts, so we just got off the ship because we are on a cruise. We just got off of the ship and we're really close here to the beaches, so you can just walk right over to the beaches and enjoy a little time on the beach before the excursion if you have time. You can also walk on this really nice long pier after you get off the ship, so you have a couple options that if your excursion doesn't start right away, or you don't want to go on an excursion, you can go over to the beach or you can go for a walk on the pier.
And let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plants don't grow without water, and they cave when it's cold. We could go till we're older.
Our adventure started with a bus ride to BRISIGHELLA that took approximately 1 hour. Oh, one thing really important, make sure you watch until the end if you want to see some tips and information we thought you may want to know if you're trying to decide whether or not you want to embark on this excursion. We had a tour guide, and our tour guide gave us all headsets so she could go ahead and share things about BRISIGHELLA and make sure that we were all able to hear. BRISIGHELLA is part of the most beautiful villages of Italy and offers several scenic routes for hiking and cycling. BRISIGHELLA is famous for its 3 distinctive hills, each crowned with a significant structure. La Rocca, which is a medieval fortress built in the 14th century, offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Monticino Sanctuary, which is a church, and a clock tower, which was originally a watchtower, and it was transformed into a clock tower in the 19th century. Unfortunately, we were a bit rushed for time and were not able to really explore these areas with this particular excursion. We did, however, get to walk through Donkey's Way, which is an ancient covered street used by mule drivers, and that was pretty neat. The local olives are known for their unique flavor attributed to the region's microclimate and soil, thus making BRISIGHELLA renowned for its high-quality extra virgin olive oil. After our visit of BRISIGHELLA, we got back on the bus and headed to the countryside to a local vineyard for some lunch. The vineyard was absolutely beautiful and the lunch was wonderful. They spoiled us completely. Honestly, this was the favorite part of our excursion. So on the way back to port, we decided to check in on Be Free Acres. If you've watched any of our videos, you know that we are currently in the process of building a family compound. And while we're away, they're still building. So we decided to check in on the cameras. So when we looked at the cameras, we saw that there was someone there, and we were so excited to see that they were actually delivering the wood for the framing. So that meant it was time to get framing. We're going to keep checking in as we continue on our adventures. So the rest of the way back, we caught up on some much needed rest since we had a little bit of a drive. But we really enjoyed the excursion, and after talking to some of the other guests, we were really glad we chose the one that we did, because other folks weren't as happy with their excursion because of the length of time they were in the bus, and that was like over 2 hours. So we loved it. It was beautiful. Italy is beautiful. We loved all of the things in Italy and getting to experience what we did experience. And now the next adventure will be in Slovenia.
Yep, we're looking forward to that.
So get out there, have some fun, be free, and we will see you in the next adventure. Don't forget to like
And subscribe.